Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove accessories from your avatar in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up the watch menu and we're going to go to the dress up and go to accessories category. And for example, I'm going to remove this windproof eye protector. So we're going to select the accessory that we want to remove, and then you're going to tap on that, and now the accessory has been removed from my avatar. And also for this one, I'm going to remove it, and this starry dots as well. And now it's done, and don't forget to click on save to save the changes. Okay, and the accessories now are removed. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove accessories from your avatar in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.